Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different, obviously, but we're gonna be doing an unboxing video, and today I have a very special thing to open for you. It's the Monster NTune HD headphones. So without further ado, I got my Swiss Army knife. Let's get it. So when I look at this box, I I think it's a really nice box, to be honest. I mean, let's go and take this. Let's go and take the plastic off. Okay, that's all that you need. I just have to say, it's really well. The box is really well built, so nothing's gonna be broken in there. I really like that. And by the looks of things, this thing just slides off like so. Well, if I can get it. There we go. I think. Okay. Technical difficulties stand by. God damn it. I've heard some, while I'm opening this, I've heard some pretty good reviews on it. I've heard actually mixed reviews, that's not entirely true. But I've heard that they break easily. So, there, finally. Heard that they break easily. And, within the, like, first 2 months of it or so. And it really all depends on how you take care of it, guys. So, in here we've got, when you open up the box, you've got your warnings and all that other stuff you don't need to know. Well, you do need to know, because you might have your music up too loud or something, and it'll damage your hearing. That's basically what this whole book is saying in several different languages. Okay, so here we've got a nice piece of paper. A note about months. Okay, I'm not going to read that. I'll go ahead and let you read it and have you pause it. And then, yeah. Okay. And then you have a piece of foam right here. And here come the headphones. Alright, by the looks of things, these actually don't look that bad. These kind of look like, now, they kind of look like Beats Solo. But they look nice. You know, I can already see, like, okay, that's nice. Got the adjustable, the click. I like that better than the slide. And let's see how they fit on me comfortably. Hang on. Let's try right there. Wow. Okay, these noise isolate pretty good. Wow. Alright, so these are pretty comfortable. We got the padding up here, which I really like. And the nice thing about these, I really like the color, the military green. In the matte series, I really like. They're very comfortable. Let me just say that right now. And the two ports at the end, two headphone jacks, that's for, so you can plug in different headphones. And what I said before about they kind of look like Beats, well, Monster made Beats at one point in time until Apple bought them out. I'm not going to say purchase because that just sounds kind of, I mean, it sounds more professional in different ways, so I'm just not going to say it in this video. So here we've got a nice travel bag, I guess. And here inside the travel bag we have your cord. Now you got the control talk, which is awesome. So you can play and pause your music, skip tracks, what have you. And so yeah, that's pretty much what's in the box. I'm gonna take this out. I really love this box. This is a nice box. I think I'm gonna keep it. Now these actually come in different colors, different series of colors. This is the matte colors collection. That looks, by the looks of things, they have a neon yellow, an orange. No, that's neon yellow and orange. The military green that I have right here, and pink and black. And so when it comes to control talk, no batteries needed, duh, because it's fully powered by the thing. So anyway, guys, we're gonna do a sound test. Unfortunately, I can't do it live because I'm recording on my phone. So I'm gonna get back to you guys as soon as I possibly can with that. So I'm just gonna end the recording right now, and I'll get back to you guys in a sec. All right, guys, I just did a sound test. I really like the sound on these. These are amazing. Now with the sound on this, I give it a 9 out of 10. These are nice. Now, if you're a kind of a heavy bass guy, I would recommend these because these have some pretty decent bass, and the mids are are nice. They're crisp, and yeah, but like that's about it, guys. That's about all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and hope to see you guys in another unboxing video / review. Thanks. Have a good day.